It's too strong! Hold on! Hold on! It's too strong! Pull harder! Don't let go! It's too big! We can't hold it! Pull! Pull with all your might! We will not let it escape! Blast it all to heck! You monstrous beast! We got him! Pull! Heave! It's a monster! Don't let go! I can't hold on! It's too strong! Pull harder! It's a big one! We've got it! Don't let go! Heave! Damn it all! Oh, God, you beast! Help me! It's too strong! It's too strong! I can't hold it! Pull! It's too strong! Hold on! You damn beast! I'll get you yet! Arg! Pull! It's too strong! Hold it tight! Don't let it go! I'm trying, it's too strong. Blast it all! Come on, you beast! Come on! Pull harder! It's a big one! I can't hold on much longer. We have to land this fish! Pull harder! It's a big one! We've almost got it! Don't let it get away! Pull harder, it's getting away! I'm trying, this thing is a monster! Got it with the gaff! Hold on! Arg! No! Get off! Aggressive yelling! Help! We're gonna capsize! Hold on tight!